चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, we have some breaking news coming in right now, viewers. The Director General of the National Testing Agency, Subodh Kumar, has been removed from his position. He has been sacked, and Pradeep Singh Karola has been appointed as the new Director General of the NTA. So that's the big update we have in the wake of the NEET scam, viewers. And day by day, Republic TV has been leading this investigation. The pressure has mounted on the authorities, on the government, and now in the latest, we have the government finally cracking the whip on the NTA and the topmost authority, the Director General of the National Testing Agency, Subodh Kumar, has been removed from his position, and that is what we are breaking right now. And that's the big update. We have Pradeep Singh Karola will be the new Director General of the NTA. Subodh Kumar has been removed from Patna to Godhra to Ranchi. Republic TV has been getting you the latest on the NEET investigation. And this entire nexus, viewers, is now getting uncovered. It is the question of the students and their future. Republic TV has been leading the campaign. My colleague Prakash joining us live on the broadcast for more. Prakash, this is a big move by the government. Subodh Kumar has been now finally removed. The government has cracked the whip. He is no more the Director General of the NTA, the agency that has been under massive scrutiny. All right, we seem to have lost that connection. We'll continue to get you more details on that. But that's the big update we have right now, viewers. The NTA DG Subodh Kumar has been removed, and now Pradeep Singh Karola will be the new Director General of the National Testing Agency. Remember, there are multiple details that have been coming out from across the country, viewers, how this NEET scam has been, the entire network of this scam, the entire nexus of this scam. And we have been bringing to you, viewers, how the NTA's role has been under scrutiny. There has been a high-level committee that was formed today. The names were announced today to review and reform the NTA. And in the latest now, after weeks, after days, that NEET scam, in fact, picked steam in the country, we finally see Subodh Kumar, the NTA DG, being removed. That is the big breaking we have right now, viewers. As we speak, we'll try and get you more updates. But the government has finally cracked the whip. Prakash will be coming in, my colleague who has been tracking the epicenter of the paper leak. But remember, grace marks, paper leak, many such things have been under scrutiny ever since this NEET scam has been exploding. Republic TV has been exposing all the details and every layer being laid threadbare. And Republic TV has also confronted the DG of the NTA, Subodh Kumar. And now, after this high-level committee is formed by the government, by the Education Ministry, now we see that